Hi, my name is Kayla Tasio, and I will be discussing my lesson plan involving flexibility and stretching. My main objective is to teach students about the correct concept of flexibility and stretching to help their overall health. A lot of students do not know their health, and I want to be able to improve that. Students are able to explain the benefits of stretching after a warm-up in these activities. With my lesson plan, students are going to be able to contribute ideas and listen to the ideas of others in a cooperative, problem-solving way. Students are going to be able to improve the level of performance on one component of health-related physical fitness and one identified motor skill by participating in fitness and skill-developed activities. This will help students inside and outside the classroom. My activity involves groups of children, preferably groups of 3 to 5. I have a worksheet for them to cut out. It's a bunch of puzzle pieces. I want them to label the puzzle pieces after they cut them out, labeling them range of motion, stretching, dynamics, twisting, bending, and lastly, flexibility. Once they are done, they are going to listen to the instructions given and then perform the task I have for them. Here is the puzzle piece sheet I will have them cut out. Now with this puzzle piece sheet, they will be forming in a circle like I have here. In the circle, they will put the pieces in the center, grab the piece when they are called on, perform the task of their understanding of the piece. So for example, if they get twisting, they have to be able to perform a task that involves twisting, moving back and forth. Now with these puzzle pieces, this gives them the cognitive development of listening and participating in each lesson. The students that have a disability are also able to participate in these groups. These groups are not timed, there is no prize, and it is not strict on the students doing it quickly or fast. It is strictly based on learning the lesson. Students within the group will also help the student if they do have a disability problem. Here are some of examples of each one. The one in the top left is twisting, moving back and forth. Then you can see multiple ways of stretching, bending, flexibility, and the overall range of motion. This one involves flexion, abduction, outward rotation. It shows when they are moving around in the circle for their activity, they have to know to bend down, how to bend down, pick up the puzzle piece given to them, read it, and perform it. That is all based on their cognitive and locomotor movement. It is also the dynamic stretching that is very important. Dynamic stretching is involved in every single one of these. Without stretching, you wouldn't be able to move as quickly or fast in each one. You wouldn't be able to run in the circle. You wouldn't be able to bend down and pick up the piece or participate in this activity. And lastly, I have a video of myself explaining the video overall. It brings into a better concept of how I want the lesson to be given. Because in the overall lesson, I want them to understand their concepts, rate themselves, help others have a better understanding, and then write about their experience and bring it back tomorrow, the next day after they have performed this task. That gives me the understanding that they know what they are performing and they know what they are learning, and it helps me evaluate them as a teacher and help them get better. Here is my video of me explaining it. I give a little demonstration in the video to have a better understanding. You can either click on this video, click on the link I will be giving to you, or you can simply just go to my YouTube channel at Kayla Genatasio. Everything is there, and I will be listing each page. I will be listing this video and my demonstration video and my lesson plan to give everybody an understanding of how I want this done. Thank you.